This training video will cover the use of Bluebeam Studio software in the design review process. This video is for the use of Bluebeam 2017. Open your Bluebeam Studio software. If your Bluebeam Studio software does not look like this, please refer to the 2018 training video. Creating a Bluebeam Studio account. On the right-hand side of the window, go to the Studio tab. In the upper left corner of the Studio panel, select the blue plug icon. In the window that opens, select the Create Account link in the bottom left corner. Enter your company email address. Create a password. The password must include an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. It must be between 8 and 32 characters long. Confirm your password. In the bottom name box, enter a username. This name will be your first name with a capital letter at the beginning, space, your last name with a capital letter at the beginning, a space, a dash, a space, your company name or company abbreviation. Click OK. Once you've created your Bluebeam Studio account, Bluebeam will send an email verification email. Open the email and select the link. Once your email is verified, you may close your browser window. If an error message is received, email already in use, click OK. Select Login with existing account link. Enter your email address and select Lost Password link. Bluebeam will send an email with instructions to reset your Bluebeam password. If you already have a Bluebeam Studio account, log out of your Bluebeam Studio account in the Bluebeam Studio software. Open a browser window. Go to studio.bluebeam.com. Log in with your Bluebeam credentials. On the left-hand side, go to the My Profile tab. Ensure in the default name your naming convention is correct. Your full first name with a capital letter at the beginning, followed by your full last name with a capital letter at the beginning, a space, a dash, a space, and your company name or company abbreviation. Select Update Profile. Select Logout. You may close your browser window. Return to Bluebeam Studio software and sign in. After creating an account or signing in, go to the upper right-hand corner and select the Settings button. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Under the General tab, in the user box, ensure that your naming convention is correct. Your full first name with a capital letter at the beginning, your full last name with a capital letter at the beginning, a space, a dash, a space, your company name or company abbreviation. Click OK. You will now join a Bluebeam Studio test session to confirm that setup has been completed properly and to learn the process for reviewing and picking up comments. On the Studio panel on the right-hand side, select the Join button and enter the following 9-digit code to join the test session: 322-646-727. Click OK. On the right-hand side of the screen in the Studio tab, ensure that you are connected to Bluebeam Studio. The plug icon should have a green dot next to it and should say Connected. If at any time the plug icon has a red dot next to it and the plug symbol is unplugged, select the icon to connect to Bluebeam Studio. You should never work offline. In the Attendees section, confirm that your naming convention is correct. If your name is too long to be listed, hover over to view the complete name or pull out the panel. In the Documents section, there is a test document. You may open this document and follow along. When reviewing comments, there are several ways to navigate around the document, using the navigation arrows at the bottom of the screen, move a page at a time, or to the beginning and end. The Bookmark tab is located on the left-hand side and is an interactive sheet index. Select a sheet to view. The Thumbnail tab shows a small thumbnail image of each sheet contained in the set. Pages are also hyperlinked. A reference to a sheet number will be selectable and will take you to the page indicated. Reviewing and picking up comments. Comments are located on the sheet itself and the bottom markup list. The list will tell you the following information: the page the comment was made on, the comment itself, who made the comment, the date the comment was made, and the status of the comment. If any of these columns are not visible, select the column button at the bottom of the screen and select the missing column. Selecting a comment in the bottom list will move the document to that comment. Do an initial review of all comments and set the initial status. Select the first comment. If the comment will be incorporated in the next submittal and no additional information is needed, double left-click in the highlighted status area. Select Agree from the status menu. Select the next comment. If additional information is required or the comment is not applicable, double left-click in the highlighted status area and select Disagree from the status menu. Once the disagree status has been set, select the green reply arrow at the top of the markup list. In the provided window, state the reason for the disagreement. Once an initial status has been set on all comments, the review team will reach out to discuss disagree comments. This could be an in-person meeting or various phone calls to discuss comments individually. Reviewing disagree comments. To view only disagree comments, select the filter button in the markup list below. A drop-down arrow will be listed next to each column. Go to the status column, select the drop-down arrow, and select Disagree from the list. This will show just the disagree comments and any replies that were created for them. The review team will use the backcheck menu to reconcile the comments and state any replies and comments necessary to complete the closeout of the comment. After the reconciliation meeting, and prior to submitting the next submittal, a self-check is required by the architectural design team. Open the file for review in Bluebeam Studio Session. Select each comment that was responded to. Double left-click the status area, and select Incorporated as a self-check that the comment has in fact been picked up in the latest submittal. The design team will then submit the document to the review team. The review team will then confirm that each comment has been picked up in the newest submittal. They'll select the comment, and using the backcheck menu, they will mark Closed or Open based on the status of the comment in the latest submittal. If the comment has been appropriately picked up, they'll mark Closed. If the comment has not been appropriately picked up, they'll select Open from the status menu. When the backcheck and the review of the subsequent submittal are complete, you will be notified to join the Bluebeam Studio session again. Review the previous submittal and confirm that there are no outstanding items. go to the markup list, ensure filters are turned on, and go to the status area. Select the drop-down button. If open is listed, select it from the list and review open comments. Open the subsequent submittal as well and review new comments. Once the review and incorporation of comments is complete, simply close the document using the Document Name tab and leave the session. Select the Leave button on the right-hand Studio panel. When the next review is complete and ready for review, the review team will send a notification. You can select the Join button and enter the 9-digit code again, or from your list of sessions, you can select the session from the list on the right-hand Studio tab. Thank you for viewing the AECOM Digital Design Review training video. At this time, please ensure that you open the video sign-off sheet in the Northern California Justice Test Session and Confirmation Session. Please read the instructions and fill the sheet out accordingly. On the right-hand side, select the text box icon. Create a text box and enter your name as it should appear in the Bluebeam Studio session. Create a second text box and enter your email address. Create a final text box and enter the date you completed this video. Once you've completed this, notify the project team that the training video has been completed and they will grant you access to the proper session. If you have any comments or questions, there's a Bluebeam Administrative Support email located at the top of the document that you may select and email any questions to.